The USPTO has implemented new fee schedule changes. It's crucial for businesses and inventors to understand these updates now. We're diving straight into the USPTO fee changes. These adjustments are designed to ensure the office's financial sustainability and operational efficiency. The new fee schedule updates for 2024 affect various aspects of patent application and maintenance. Patent filers will see key changes across the board, particularly with increased fees for filing, examination, and maintenance. There is a notable increase in the basic filing fees for utility, design, and plant patent applications. This directly affects the initial cost of seeking protection. Good news, the fee reductions for micro and small entities remain available. However, it's essential to recheck the eligibility criteria to ensure compliance. Now let's look at the fees that impact the patent prosecution phase. Expect changes to examination, issue, and maintenance fees. These are crucial elements of the patent lifecycle costs. The costs associated with request for continued examination, or RCE, have also been adjusted upwards. Strategic planning is key to minimizing these extra costs. These fee changes require immediate strategic planning for businesses managing intellectual property. It's time to integrate this new fee schedule into your IP portfolio budget planning. Accurate financial forecasting is more critical than ever. Consider timing your patent applications to file before these new fees officially take effect to save on initial filing costs. To conclude, let's quickly summarize the most significant adjustments. The most significant adjustments are the increased basic filing fees, higher RCE costs, but thankfully, the micro and small entity discounts remain. Stay informed on future IP news and updates as the landscape continues to evolve. Follow us for more timely analysis.